Range-bound trading session for Indian equity markets. Nifty is ending higher, marginally so as we speak, up by about 100 odd points near that 24,875 mark. Nifty Bank, though, was an underperformer in trade today, swinging between the red and the green, and Nifty Bank ending absolutely flat at about 54,220. As far as the biggest gainers are concerned, remember Infosys was the biggest gainer on the index. That one is ending with gains of nearly 5% on the back of that big announcement that came in with respect to their buyback. 1504 is where the stock is ending for the day, 5% higher at the moment as we speak. In terms of other stocks, we had Dr. Reddy's, Wipro, TechM and Adani Ports. These were also some of the other gainers from the Nifty 50 pack. That should also come up for you on your screens. Dr. Reddy's up 3.5%. Tech Mahindra up 2.5%, and we also have Wipro ending the day with gains of nearly 3%. On the losing side though, Trent, that one was the biggest loser on the Nifty 50 index. This one shed nearly 1.5 to 2% in today's trade. Eternal or Zomato and Jio Financial were also some of the other losers. Zomato, remember, is ending the day with a downtick of nearly 1.2%, and Jio Financial Services also ending 0.8% lower in trade. IT stocks were the clear standout gainers in trade today. We did talk about Infosys. Wipro and Tech Mahindra were also gaining anywhere between 2.5 to 3.5% in trade. Pharma stocks were also following suit. We had Dr. Reddy's up 3%. Glenmark Pharma also gaining at par with Dr. Reddy's. That's Dr. Reddy's for you, 1294, and Glenmark Pharma also ending over 3% higher in trade. On the losing side, real estate stocks were on the back burner today. So Anantraj ending the day with a downtick of 2%. We also had Lodha and DLF, which were declining in trade. Anantraj for you down 1.8%. Lodha and DLF. Lodha down 0.8%, and DLF is also ending under quite a bit of pressure. In terms of individual stocks, Glenmark Pharma on the back of a positive news flow. Company's wholly owned subsidiary has received an upfront payment of $700 million from another global company. So positive news flow. This stock is ending 3% higher. Paytm, Eternal and Nykaa were all in focus on the back of several block deals that took place in this space. That should also come up for you on your screens. Paytm down 3%. Nykaa also ending the day with a downtick of nearly 2.5%. Railtel, meanwhile, on the back of a big order win that came through. In fact, the company said that they've won orders worth about 700 crore across its business verticals, 6% higher for this counter. TVS Motor said that they will be cutting prices on account of GST reduction with effect from 22nd of September. TVS Motor not reacting much to that news though. And Strides Pharma, where they said that they signed a deal with a global company. So individual stocks and newsmakers that kept the market abuzz all through today's trading session. But Nifty is ending just about 0.5% higher in trade at that 24,876 mark. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. But don't go anywhere. More news and updates will continue on the other side.